Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm doing this beautiful, easy, super wearable smoky eyeshadow look. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow looks I've ever done, honestly. It's just so pretty. Just look at it, you know? And not only that, I'm throwing it way back and I'm using the Tarte Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette. This is a really good neutral palette. It's been out forever and Tarte still sells it. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful palette. The quality is not my favorite, but it's still good. So starting off with the shade Flower Child, this is going to be just a blending shade. Again, I'm doing a smoky eye, so you want to start off very light and work your way up. You don't want to go too crazy all at once because it's very hard to go back, you know what I mean? So here I'm taking my transition color. It's called Smarty Pants, and again, this is also a light shade, but I'm blending everything. I'm starting off light, working my way dark, you know? So this is in the crease and in the outer V, just going back and forth, making sure everything is well blended. I don't want any patches. I don't want anything to look uneven. So now I'm taking this really pretty kind of like warmer orangey brown called Rebel, and now I'm starting to get deeper and deeper, okay? So this is going in the crease, going a little bit upwards. I'm kind of bringing this on the lid too, not being super precise. So when you're doing a smoky eye, and especially if you're not using shimmers, if this is like an all matte smoky eye like what I'm doing here, it's super important to just blend. You don't want anything to look uneven. So now it's time for my lid shade. So instead of using a black, I'm using a really dark brown. It's a little bit more wearable. This is the shade Activist. And I'm using a like fluffy kind of like flat brush, if that makes sense. You don't want to use anything like thin. You want something a little fluffy so it doesn't like pack on the color super harshly, you know? So I'm taking this brush. It's by Equal Tools. It's in one of their little sets and I'm packing it on the lid, but also as you can see, I'm kind of blending it out into the crease too. You can add more color if you'd like. I did add a little bit. I just needed a little bit more like smoky, a little sultry vibe. And then of course, as I said before, you want to blend. So here I have nothing on my brush and I'm just blending everything out. I'm blending that dark brown shade in with all the transition colors that I used. And I'm just going back and forth just like this. And then now it's my favorite part of my routine. It's concealer time. I'm taking the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer and I'm just doing my little concealer routine, as you can see here. Sharpening up my edge. That's my favorite part, and look how well blended everything is. So here I took a little bit of the lightest shade Charmer and kind of blended out the edges of my eyeshadow, and then I also blended out the tops of my eyeshadow too, just to blend it a little bit more. And then for my setting powder today, I'm using my Derma Blend loose setting powder. This is one of my favorites. As you guys know, I talk about it all the time. Here, I'm just taking a little bit of Smarty Pants, the second transition color that I used, blended out the edges a little bit, and then I decided to use Kiss Baby Doll because I looked at a lot of my eyeshadow like transitions, and I'm like, man, those lashes look really good on me, so I used those today. Kiss Baby Doll. I used Activist on the lower lash line, and then I blended that out with Rebel. And then for the brow bone, I'm taking Charmer again, just putting it right underneath my eyebrow, a little bit more concentrated, and again, blending the edges out. I'm telling you, blending is key. And that is it for this video. This eyeshadow look, guys, I'm telling you, is so pretty. You can wear this anywhere, during the day, on a date, at night, whenever you want. So I also wanted to let you guys know I do have a giveaway going on. You'll have to watch my vlog, which I will link up here. See how you can enter and everything. And other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Sorry for all the noise. I'm outside. Bye.